Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to calculate the square root of a particular column using the Power Query editor. So let's dive right into the demo. As you can see, I've got some sample data into the Power Query editor. I've got this one column unit price, which if you remember from the last video I had showed you how to use this, how to calculate the square value of a column. So this is the square value of the original values in this unit price column. So now as you can see, that step has been applied. So now if you want to go back to the root value, which is the original value, we can either cancel the step or I can show you how to use the square root transformation. So let's do that in this situation. So first select the column for which you want to calculate the square root, then go hit in the transform tab, go hit the scientific button, and then within scientific button you get this square root option. So once you click the square root, you are immediately taken back to the root values, which are the original values in this column. So now just to confirm that, you can see 18, 19, 10. If I cancel both of these, we are back to 18, 19, 10. So that's how the square root transformation works. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.